Camera time, folks. It's hammer time.
Hammer time.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this. Yes, you can. You can touch this. What do you think of that? Well, today is going to be a new one. I'm going to make a new one. I've been buying thousands of these little nips, I call them. I probably have 30 of them. Next time I do a video, I might have them all lined up in front of me. I'm sampling, and this is sample time. And this one I'm going to be calling My Alibi. You know, when you do something and you don't want anybody to know you do it, you need an alibi. Well, what better could be alibi than being, hey, I was messed up, I was drunk on the couch. That's a good alibi. So this is going to be my alibi.
Okay, you ought to know. Huh?
I ought to know. I use it a lot. Did you touch that soap? No. Did you take a shower? No. Well, you stink. I know. But it's my alibi. Okay?
Okay.
Did that make sense?
No.
I know it didn't make any sense whatsoever.
True.
Tomorrow, I didn't shave. I was supposed to shave.
Oh, you were.
I didn't shave.
Oh, you're all grubby.
I know.
Oh.
Tomorrow at 9 a.m. No.
11.
11 a.m. 11 a.m. Colorado time, which is 1 a.m. in Boston time, Eastern time, Mountain time. We got time all over the place. We got time. We have
1
time.
1 a.m.?
1 p.m.
You said a.m.
Well, that's because I'm an early bird. I like to catch the early stuff. We're going to have a show with an interview with the Brit girls. I don't know who's going to be doing the interviewing them, though, me or them. I got some interviewing stuff. I want to know about fish and chips. That's what I want to know. I love fish and chips. But anyhow, catch the Brit girls and me tomorrow. Okay? You can watch it on their video, on their site. So here's my shout outs for today. My shout out is going out to a man that just changed his name on his YouTube channel. He gets on everybody's site and says, hey, I'm first, I'm first. Well, he's first a lot. He beats everybody. He even beats me because I doze through most of what I'm doing, and then I wake up and I go, oh no, I gotta get on and do some comments and look at people's sites. I spend all day long watching people's videos. But this guy watches everybody. I don't know where you find the time, but his name is Tim Kirkland. And he just changed his YouTube handle to The Spirit of the Cocktail. I think it sounds haunted. Spirits in a cocktail. But anyhow, Tim, I'm going to put your video, your newest video, on Cocktails and Cuisine, my Facebook group. You can join and check it out, Tim. Cocktails and Cuisine, you will have your video posted there. I now have 10,300 and some odd people, and I get 100 and something every day. So get on the Cocktails and Cuisine on Facebook and join it. It's a Facebook group. And today's drink, My Alibi. Did I tell a story? No, I didn't. Okay. If you have an alligator and you chain it to a fire hydrant in Michigan, you're going to jail. So don't chain your alligator to a fire hydrant. It is illegal for a woman getting married for the second time to wear a white wedding gown. She has to wear black because the first one was a funeral. Karen's over there opening her mouth. I can't believe you said that.
Yeah. Where is it against the law to wear white?
Arkansas.
Oh, Arkansas.
Arkansas. Okay. Who's from Arkansas? Who's from Little Rock? Is that Clinton?
Somewhere, yeah.
Oh, that's my man, Clinton. That's my man. Anyhow, here we go. 1 ounce of rum. I get all these little pourers here. Let's do a little bit more. How's that? I always add a little bit more, don't I?
Yep.
I do. 1 ounce of gin. Tells me the mood I'm in. And this is one of my samples, guys. 1 ounce of raspberry vodka. I Look at that, I had exactly an ounce in there. Look, exactly an ounce. Can you believe that?
No.
I can't either, I'm in shock. Exactly an ounce. I drank some of it earlier, testing it out. And half an ounce of, somebody gave me a bunch of these. I have like 4 or 5 of them. My nephew in Australia,
Matthew.
sent me a bunch of these little Monin Almond Orgeat. So half an ounce of Matthew's mixture here. Two ounces of white grapefruit juice. And you got to put it in a shaker with some ice.
What kind of juice?
White cranberry juice. What did I say?
I thought you said grapefruit.
I shouldn't have had that other drink before I filmed.
But maybe I
can't drink before I do this
misunderstood.
stuff.
Maybe I didn't understand.
No, you understood right. White cranberry juice. I don't have
okay.
I don't have grapefruit juice.
No.
No, anyhow. You got to shake it with ice. And as Booze on the Rocks, Dave would say, shake it with a smile. Here you go, Dave. Okay.
Where's your glass? Can't see it.
You can't see the glass?
Thank you.
Okay, and also to my buddy out there, 60-second cocktails, Vino. I'm working on my Monster Smash video. I'm working on it. I should have it out by Tuesday. Okay? Anyhow, this shit's getting scary. Here we go. Ah, that is so tasty. I should make a PBJ sandwich to go with it. It's so tasty. I need raspberry jelly at the sandwich. That is so good. Anyhow, Cocktail Tony, get your vaccine. Where's my
Oh, your mask.
Oh, my mask. I left it downstairs. My mask. Buzz with your cuz. Flour, eggs, and eggs and yeast. I just changed the name to Flour, Eggs, and Cocktail.
Oh, dear.
Teresa, Cam, I'm sorry, but now it's Flour, Eggs, and Cocktails. Cocktail Tony, over and out.